weight before I should beat them there.
And you know they're going to show up with one person in a truck and no gear.
Huh?